Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Vivo Y100. First of all, go to the top side of your phone. See here. You will see a hole here. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert here and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Now take out of SIM tray from your phone. Just pull up like this and it will come out. Yes. Wow. And now you can insert one SIM card here. One SIM card here. Okay, and in the other slot you can put either one SIM card or SD card here. Okay, I put the SIM card now. Okay, otherwise you can replace SIM card with SD card. Okay, either you can insert one SIM card and one SD card or two SIM cards. Okay, and yes, I keep one SIM card and bring your phone and insert here. Yes, it is inserted. Now go and check. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.